Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to withdraw money from Big Cartel. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official bigcartel.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Big Cartel website where you can see all the info regarding your shop and so on. So as you can see guys, now this is the main page, and let's say that we want to get started with collecting revenue from our Big Cartel shop. So what we have to do guys to be able to collect that is to add a payment method. So we're going to go ahead and do that guys by clicking the account option right here, which is the last option at the top of the page. Go ahead guys and click on account, and this will now take us to this new page where we can go ahead and manage our account options and our store options. So now let's go ahead and guys and scroll down until we find this option right here that says get paid. So guys, here is the get paid option, and now we can get ahead and set up payment option. You can see you can set credit cards with Stripe, or you can accept payments with PayPal. So guys, go ahead and click the option to set up the payments, and here you can connect your PayPal or whatever you want to get started with collecting money. So guys, go ahead and collect whatever you desire. Let's say you want to connect PayPal, you have to go ahead and log into PayPal from right here, and after logging in guys, then you'll be able to collect money from your website, and then you'll successfully be able to withdraw that money. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.